Time for an episode of Unprepared Preparations, where you watch me cook, but I don't actually have any good video editing software, so we're doing it all in one take, I guess. Okay, so so today we're making IKEA meatballs. How in the blue hell? Right, IKEA meatballs. So I was gonna turn this around, but you don't need to look at my gross face anyway. I don't have a dish, so I'm just gonna put some foil in a pan. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna get our sack of balls. So grab your ball sack and look at it. Meatballs for I gotta preheat the shit. All right, so make sure you hit start on this because much like foreplay in the real world, you want to give it time to pre. So while we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and start getting our side dish ready. So we're going to get our pan here. I guess we're not fully unprepared because we at least are preparing something. So let's see. What do we want? Don't cover the lens, you dumb idiot. All right. Start off. Well, just kidding. We're not starting off with oil because I can't get the cap open. Guess we'll smokehouse maple, some honey, fresh garlic, and I think we're on with the coffee pod. And turkey sounds good. Just the lid though. You don't want all the calories. And then we turn that on. That's how you make garlic and olive oil pasta. So we're gonna let that simmer a little bit longer. And then we're gonna want to make sure that we have something good to drink. So while that's still preheating because your oven is low-key kind of a piece of shit, we're gonna make us something to drink. I've always been a big fan of Minute Maid Punch. Now as you can see I'm out, but there's a quick hack to making this. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Stay tuned. So the good thing about Minute Maid Fruit Punch flavor is that you really only ever have to add water to an empty bottle. So and there you go, Minute Maid Fruit Punch. Now before you forget, while this is simmering, you want to make sure that you take that coffee pot out of there, because you don't want that to add too much flavor to your pasta. So just let that just kind of simmer some more, and then your meatballs will be ready to cook now that your oven is finished. Oh. So this was supposed to be in one take. My phone messed up. The Snapchat was like, "Hey man, you don't need to use your camera. Stuff you stuffer." So basically, you heard a beep, or you would have heard a beep. It was a minute ago. Oven's been on for about 6 minutes now. Now it's finished preheating because you got impatient and you did that. So we're just gonna shut that off so we don't burn this crap right here, and then we're gonna eat some tortilla chips instead because we're tired of waiting. So Okay, so literally, like, eat the rest of your salsa. Get your friggin' fat chef, right? Can't go wrong. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Spin it. So look at that. Alright, but these balls gotta have one more thing. You can't have balls without your sauce, right? So, at IKEA, you get this, like, lingonberry relish. And you get this nice, like, gravy and, everything. We're just gonna twisty twirl. Oh god, that's probably upside down. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna swap that back. Okay. And then, we don't have any of that. We're not doing that stupid bullshit. Instead, we're using some Dote Whitty's barbecue sauce. I got this at a local farmer's market here in the good old city of Terre Haute, Indiana. And I'm going to destroy IKEA's legacy with a little bit of American ingenuity. So we're just going to just slather your balls in all of that sauce. And then just going to plate it up here. Get you some pasta. Get you some pasta. There. And then get another spoon for your meatballs, because who cares about using a bunch of utensils? You're the one doing the dishes. It's not like you're bothering anybody. Screw it. Spoons take what, like 3 seconds to wash? Just give them all nice and mixed up. Bada bing, bada boom. You got barbecue meatballs, you got some pasta, you got some shit going on. Alright? Spoon it. Alright, well, so you're gonna eat. So you're just gonna take this over to the table now that you've served. And you're done! So, there you go. Barbecue meatballs and pasta and chips and Minute Maid. Actually, you know what? Top it all off. Sprig of your nearly dead basil leaf. Why not? This has been Unprepared. Like, comment, subscribe to the place to be.